This is the list of 5 things that you will need at every one of Disney World's 4 theme parks. Thrive in 5. How to stay comfortable and have the easiest day possible.
5 essentials in 5 minutes, starting now.
In no particular order, here we go.
Essential number 1.
So you're walking through the theme park and you look up at that sky and those rain clouds, those storm clouds are rolling in. What's a family to do? You need the best walking shoes that can get wet and dry fast. I love this shoe. You can see that it's been well worn. Mine probably definitely need a bath, but I am going to wash these lovely shoes and I am going to wear them to Disney in the near future. And they have multiple colors, of course. Here's an example of one of the brighter colored ones. I just love the tread on the bottom of those. See that? It's amazing how that prevents you from slipping and sliding when you're walking outdoors or indoors. You will need these shoes because they dry so easily, and that way it prevents chafing, athlete's foot, or any sort of fungus that could grow under those toenails or between those toes if you had closed-toed shoes, and again prevents those feet from hurting with every single step if your skin had been irritated due to moisture buildup. Even open-toed shoes that accumulate moisture and don't dry quickly. This shoe, I have worn it everywhere. I walk the dog. I play in the backyard with the dog. I go to the park, and I would even recommend taking it to the beach with you. There are other brand names like Echo, and my husband and I did buy that brand, ECCO. And you'll see it pictured here. It can get a little bit more pricey, but this would be a good option. We felt that it wasn't as much cushion or support. It was a little bit more hard. The footbed was a little bit more hard and contoured to our foot, so it did provide traction really well, but not as much cushion. What's your favorite go-to sandal? I've heard Echo, I've heard Tevas, but maybe you are not a sandal wearer. Maybe you have an awesome closed-toed shoe that dries really easily when it gets wet. Share that in the comments below, okay? In that Florida sunshine, you need to protect your skin. Skin cancer is a real concern for anyone, even those with medium to darker complexions. Ta-da! Sun Balm. Yeah, I love it. What I love about this is that when I do rub this into my skin, I don't feel that it's showing up with a residue, like a caked on layer of white sunscreen. I also love that it's water resistant. It says for 80 minutes right there. I would say that's true. I've noticed that it does wear off a little bit over an hour after you apply it. Follow the instructions and use it the way they ask you to about applying it before you go in the sun and how many minutes that they ask you to do so. And this really will prevent that red, painful sunburn that so many folks can relate to. It is vegan. I'm reading from the label. It is gluten-free, hypoallergenic. I have sensitive skin. I'm known to break out from common popular perfumes. It doesn't cause you to itch. You don't have blemishes after using it.
Lip balm is also essential.
SPF 30 and in different flavors, of course. What brand of sunscreen do you love? Maybe there's another brand that is even better at not clogging pores. Can you let us know? Put it in the comments below. Thanks. Dun, 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 dun. A Disney poncho, a Disney rain poncho. And as you can see, these are made of the kind of material that you would use kind of like a shower curtain liner. And I also want to show you the snap, and that is where the arm goes. It's a very spacious arm opening there. And I think that the labeling on these may read one size fits most, but also it can cover the backpack that will stay completely dry. When I'm ready to go on that ride, this is so easy. Roll it up, stuff it on the side of a backpack. You can buy it in most of the Disney parks, somewhere near the entry. I have never felt like I wasted my money, not 1 cent, not 1 minute, not 1 second when I bought my lovely Disney poncho. Dun, 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 a reusable water bottle. It really doesn't matter what brand. It could be the brand that you want, that you already have at home. The ones that are insulated especially, you want to drink it when it's cool and refreshing, generally speaking, right? All of the quick service restaurants in the Disney theme parks, and just ask for ice water. It's free. They give it to you in a complimentary disposable cup, you need an electrolyte drink mix like Liquid IV. When you're walking through those Disney parks, you are absolutely going to get hot and sweaty. You're going to lose a lot of electrolytes. So pop it in the water bottle. 1 packet is all you need. 2 to 2.5 times faster hydration than water alone. And they also have more than 1 flavor. So, in order to bookmark this list, make sure that you click to like this video and subscribe to make sure that you can keep it in your back pocket. Well, now that we're ready, we can thrive in 5 at Disney World. And we're going to recommend that you watch this next video so that you stay happy at Disney World. Check out our easiest tips to avoid any meltdowns right there, that video. And then also check out our series on how to save money without Genie Plus at Disney theme park. There's a playlist. Yeah. Let's go.